So these are the different things that you can use to to bake your bread in. You can either use this glass bowl, a nice size glass bowl. I've used, like, you can use a pot lid right here to be on top, or you can even use a pie plate like that, and that'll work really nicely. You just want to make sure you have a top so that your bread will steam in there and you'll have that nice crackly, crunchy crust. And then we also have a baker. You can bake in one of these things before. You notice how it's a little oval. Now, if I wouldn't put a round loaf in there, but I would put like something like a loaf in there, and I would just rise it in here. So so I'd have my loaf rising in here, transferring it to here to bake. And then, of course, there's the 2 loaf pans that you can use, one inverted over the other. And again, if you don't have a whole lot of these and you're finding that you're baking several of these loaves, you can rise in something like a box. As long as it's the same shape, you can just keep using your same glass pans in the oven and just rise in a box. And then if you're in a pinch, you can even just use a pot, a stainless steel pot. But for the cinnamon sugar, I'd be careful of this one because it can get pretty hot. The cinnamon sugar tends to burn just a little bit. But if you're cooking something like original or onion herb or sun-dried tomato, it should work out fine.